Overdirection is to direct the hair away from the position which it would naturally fall. Overdirection controls the length and the shape. So overdirection controls the length and the shape. If I cut my first section here on area number 1, and my next section will come and I cut here. My next section will come, my next section will be the area 3, will come to the first. 4th will come to the first. 5th, which is this one, will travel to here. This is overdirection. When you have a guide, when you cut the length, and all the other sections will come to the first. But overdirecting the hair could be a little different. If you like to create a round shape, there's no overdirection. You cut the hair following its natural shape. No overdirection. But now, if you want to create a square shape and be consistent in square shape and in length, you cut your first section and you meet them on a center. It's a very delicate move, because if you overdirect too much, you're creating longer length. So overdirection won't be the same. If you want to be consistent in shape and consistent in tamaño, length, you need to cut my first length, bring it to the center of this line, and cut my new ones here. So now I finish this, let this go, grab my next, and brought this to the center, brought the new ones to the center, and you cut. Because once this goes back to its natural line, will be still same length as the first one. Could be in vertical, could be in horizontal and vertical. So yeah, to maintain a square shape, you bring both together. So to maintain a square, maintain my length, maintain my shape, what I need to do, get my first section, overdirect to the center, center. What we do, you cut your first section, and then you make another section, and bring this section to the center, bond them together right on the center, and cut it. You're going to be consistent in square shape. If I bring this section to my first section, in this one, to create round shape, no overdirection. To maintain your length and create square shape, you direct both sections to the center and cut. To create a triangular shape, all we're going to do is you have the sections. I can even do here too. That's my subsections, what we're going to learn soon. To create my triangular shape, I cut my first section, is this one, right? Once I cut my second, will come to my first. My third will come to my first. My fourth will come to my first. My fifth will come to my first. So all this hair on the corner will be much longer, and the shape will be triangular. My first section, smaller, and since I'm bringing one to here, second, third, fifth, all the hair to my first will become a triangular shape.